All right, my adventurous people. We are currently in Lake Hills, Texas, and it's about an hour outside of San Antonio. And we are going to venture into San Antonio today and see what kind of trouble we can get into. Hopefully not too much, because, you know, Texas, they're going to crack down on you if you break the law. So, you ready to go to San Antonio?
Let's do it. Hit the Alamo.
Hit the Alamo.
Yep.
And some other stuff. Try not to get in trouble. So we've made it to San Antonio, and we found parking for $5 for 12 hours. We scored on that one. We're gonna go pay for our parking. Sometimes you have to be smarter than the machine, and I am not. I put it in wrong. But we got it. We're good. We are good until 11:33 p.m. We're good till 11:33 p.m. for $5.
Nice. Let's do it.
Put it on the dash.
Okay, we're about to enter the Alamo, and of course they've told us no videotaping inside. Can't touch the walls. Lots of rules.
Yes, but we can videotape everything outside, just not inside the building. So sorry.
Yep.
But we'll try to get as much footage as we can on the outside.
It gives you a reason to visit the Alamo.
Mm-hmm. Pretty much. Yeah, we're gonna go into the church.
Let's do it.
It's our first stop.
Nima says she knows that we weren't able to film inside the church, but
it was magnificent. The walls, the sculpture, I mean, I don't even know how to describe it. It was surreal.
Yeah.
Very cool. The area that they used for like baptisms and confessionals and stuff like that was just, it was really cool to see that. And then to know that later on that an army came in and had guns and cannons and things like that inside the church was just blew my mind. So it was way cool. So if you're ever in San Antonio, I highly recommend coming to the Alamo. It was free. You didn't have to pay. We didn't have to pay anything to get in at all.
At all. Nope. We just had to get a ticket to go inside of the church.
Right.
And that's it.
And they do have audio tours, and I know that they're $9 a person, and you can listen to a thing and it will tell you what's going on. But there are plaques everywhere that tell you what you're looking at, basically.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if you want to do the audio, then go for it. But you don't have to.
Nope.
There's like junior ranger tours, and there's like private tours and all kinds of things that you can take. So, but if you don't want to take any of those, everything is free.
Yeah, I'm just really enjoying the history of the Alamo and the surrounding area, and
yeah,
it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
San Antonio.
Go Texas. Did your brain hurt?
It's hurting. Too much information again. Now now I know why Texans are so proud to be Texans. A little bit about the Alamo I've learned today. And just always remember the Alamo.
In quotation marks.
In quotation
Always
marks.
remember the Alamo.
And that's what one of the battle cries, I guess you would call. The general, I forgot his name already.
I don't remember either. We just watched the movie too.
So next time I'm running through the airport, I'm gonna say, remember the Alamo!
I feel like we're kind of honorary Texans because we're in Texas for like a month and a half.
Yeah, we got temporary Texas residency.
Yeah, so I feel like I'm a Texan. I'm proud to be a Texan. So we're down here on the Riverwalk. This is really cool. And there's not a whole lot of people down here today. Well, it's Tuesday after Memorial Day weekend. Yeah. So I think everybody's gone. But this is really cool. What are you thinking of the Riverwalk?
Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah.
Jackets under the hatch doors we've never used before. We do have them just in case. The water's 3 to 5 feet deep for most of the tour. Now, if you fall in, you do need to get out before the piranhas get to you or the police officers. Rosita's bridge up ahead.
Viva!
Yeah! 130-year-old bridge, the early German immigrants built around 1890. They had 3 of these on the Riverwalk. On 3 feet has 30 floors. That was designed by the Air and Air architectural firm. Dwight Eisenhower had an office in the building and also housed San Antonio's first Sears Roebuck on the first 4 floors. Two Weldon brothers lost the building due to the Great Depression for about 10 cents on the dollar. Cost right around $3 million to build that. And they had to sell it for about $300,000 shortly thereafter.
That's a Riverwalk boat tour that we did, and it was $13.50 a person, and it was about a 35-minute ride.
Yeah, it wasn't even that.
Yeah, ish. And they took us around the river, on the river, and told us about historic buildings and things that happened. And
yeah, it's about 2 miles. About a 2 mile long tour, and very educational. And I had no idea there was so much history and history of the buildings. Very cool.
Yes, it was very cool. So that's a must do if you come to San Antonio Riverwalk.